tonight.
Hey guys, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. So today I have a really special video from Maybelline. I got all of their colossal mascaras. So here's 8 of them. Today I'm gonna try on and test out all of these and put it on my lashes, and we'll see what's the difference, which one is the best, which is the worst. Because you know when you go to a store and you see so many of these, how do you know which one you like the most? You know, I'm gonna tell you which one you're gonna like the most and which are the great features about each one of these. Let's get on with the first mascara. Okay, let's choose the first mascara. I'm just not gonna look at it. Let's just pick a random one. Oh, okay, this one. This is the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara in Very Black, and it should have a brush like that. Ooh. And let's apply it to our lashes. Okay, so this is what the first mascara looks like. It's really much like the lashes I would like. I think the wear test of all these would be kind of the same, so I only do the wear test for this, the first mascara. Let's see, I'll see you in a few hours. Okay, I am back. It's how many hours? Like 6 hours later. So let's see how my mascara is doing. But it's looking fine. It hasn't smudged. It's doing really well. Maybe it has come off a little bit, but otherwise it's good. I can't say anything bad. So I would give it like 9 points out of 10 for the longevity. I'll take this one off and let's go on with the next mascara. Okay, this is me without makeup. Do I look very different? Please let me know. I think it would be only fair to take the next, the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara, but this is in Daring Black. I'm looking at the brushes from the back, and it seems like the first one we tried has a bit more intense brush. Let's see. Oh, to be honest, I can't see much peak of a difference, so here we go. Oh my god, look at these lashes. Wow. Here is this mascara on. I think I like this one better than the first one because it is really more black. For the better comparison, I didn't do one eye with that mascara, but I'm gonna choose a new one and do the new one for this eye. Let's choose one. This is the Colossal Go Extreme Volume Mascara, and this is in Very Black. Okay, time to see the brush for the first time. Woo! Wow, this is a big one. Let's see how it is on my eyes. Okay, here is the comparison. This one definitely left a more natural and gave this matte natural volume, whereas this one is more extreme, and like you can see, wow, this girl is crazy with the mascara. Lengthens and does everything to the extreme, but it also makes the lashes a bit clumpy, whereas this one is just really nicely not together. Okay, next up for the test we have the Colossal 100% Black and Colossal Smoky Eye. The 100% Black is great for festivals or like more bold look, I believe, and the Smoky Eyes, of course, for smoky eye look. Really clear bristles. Okay, so this is the side with the mascara. To be honest, I think this is the one that has the least effect so far. Now the smoky eyes. This is a bit more tiny. Here is the smoky eyes mascara. And to be honest, from the side, the lashes look amazing. I think this is what they should like for a smoky eye look. And from these two, I like the smoky eyes better. And next up in the battle, we have the most regular Colossal mascara and the waterproof one. So this is the most regular one. Okay, this is pretty regular brush as well. So as you can see from here, My lashes are really separated but really long at the same time, especially the lower lashes. Like, what are these? And as it says on the baggage right here, it says no clumps, and I really can't see any clumpiness at all. And now the waterproof one. It seems to be the same applicator as for the regular Colossal mascara. Oh, this just goes on really smooth. The texture of the waterproof mascara is definitely different. It just like glides on my lashes. Wow, I've never felt this before. And even when the product is on my lashes, I feel like it's still movable. And here we have the waterproof mascara on. If you look at my eyes like that, it has the same effect as the regular Colossal mascara, which is actually great because we have so many different Colossal mascara. It's good that you can actually choose the same effect but just a waterproof version. Oh, and by the way, if you want to buy the Colossal mascaras, then keep in mind that on mylook.ee, if you use a code Colossal, then you get 40% off of the Colossal mascaras, and the code is valid until 30th of April, so be fast and get your discount because 40% is a good discount, let me tell you. Okay, this is the next day, which means we have the last candidate for the best Colossal mascara. Here we have the Leather Black. Ooh, okay, this is something I would like. Here is this mascara on. It's really pretty, I must say that. The brush indeed is a bit too big for the mascara not to go on your eyelids, I must say that. But the result itself is really pretty. If you want like a bolder look with that, you can definitely go for Two Goats as well. So now it's time for the final result. Which of all these Colossal mascaras is my favorite? So I think in general it so much depends on what you want. If you want like a really bold look, or you want this like little curvy smoky look, but if you know me, then you know that I love bold lashes. And because of that, as you can imagine, my favorite is the Big Shot mascara. This is in Tearing Black. This was my absolute favorite, but the regular Big Shot is pretty much the same. This is just a little bit more black. But I also really like the last one that I have on right now. So here's the test. I really hope that you get to know a little more about these mascaras, because I know when you go to a store and you have several of the mascaras that pretty much look the same, then you just grab one, but you don't really know like which one is it, or is it the best for me now? Is it what I wanted? But now you got more information and you saw how they really perform on the lashes. And don't forget that on mylook.ee you can use the code Colossal and have 40% off. I'm so happy that you watched my video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram for some quality photos. I've been really trying to level up my game there, so go follow, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.